Is they on some sus shit, bro? What's going on? They ass tweaking. Y'all already know what's going on, man. It's DTM John. Okay. I got another review coming for y'all, but before I get into anything or show y'all anything, because the game is to be sold, not told, y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I need y'all to get these videos, because y'all is not watching enough. My analytics is showing me that 80% of y'all that's watching this is not subscribed. Y'all got to get that right. This ain't that, okay? This not how we do things around here. Anywho, we got a double up shawty. What y'all think this is? Alright, man, we got the shiny silver Nike box. Y'all know they're a little different than a normal Nike box. I'm going to give y'all a hint. This is a Jordan 1. This the box it normally comes in. You see how dull that black is? Look at the bottom two, okay? That motherfucker shiny as hell. Do I got to tell y'all what it is? Alright, let me move this motherfucker out the way, because I don't know what the fuck that is. That's for another video. Anywho, y'all want to see that? Y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Did I tell y'all that already once or twice? I'm going to tell y'all how many times until y'all make it nice, okay? Alright, so bam. Oh, one got the top off already. Throw that to the side. But we got the Air Jordan 1 patent Bred. These came out like November, December. I don't fucking know. We got two of them though. You see, this one came from StockX, the other one came out to, we got them from GOAT. But we know this whole debacle they got going on with the fake shoes and all that. I got a whole video coming for y'all on what's going on with that and how I feel about that too. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and wait for that video too. That's coming too. All right. We're gonna put out one of these on each and see. We got a difference on them. We got one from GOAT and we got one from StockX. Bam! These bitches is crispy though. I ain't gonna lie. This motherfucker look like a candy wrapped red candy cane with the wrapper on, shiny as hell, crispy as hell, ready to eat. Unwrap that motherfucker and get down and enjoy, okay? So look at that. We got that crispy, shiny black with the red going all the way around. The color blocking ain't too much different than what y'all normally used to. Y'all see that red swoosh. Y'all see the quarter panels. Y'all see the toe box. Y'all see the heel. Y'all see the bottom. Red on red on red. All right, whole lot of red. No Cardi in this motherfucker. Okay. Y'all see it comes with a shiny red jump tag. Jump tag. Y'all see that? I'm trying to make sure y'all can see that bitch. Ooh, that real close. Ooh, it's fuzzy as hell. Y'all ain't gonna see that, but you see it right there. Y'all see it right there. Yeah. Right there. It's in the right hand. Oh, get it before it's gone. Hold on, nephews and nieces. Y'all see y'all got the red Nike Jumpman on the inside. Nike Air on the inside. Nike Air. On the inside, we got family on one shoe. It say family. You see a stitch right there? Say family. That's what that stitching is right there. Y'all can see it right there. And then on the other shoe, it says family as well. It's the same thing on both. But yeah, man, we got the double up. I'm trying to figure out. And you see this pair from StockX. I'm looking like, what the fuck? Y'all see this shit say Nike Korea, bro? Hold on. This one got the Jumpman on it too. It's from the other pair. Yeah, nigga, this shit say Nike Korea. Is they on some sus shit, bro? What's going on? They ass tweaking. They tripping, man. They definitely tripping. Y'all see right there. Nike Korea, the fuck. Bro, maybe they is selling fakes, bro. I don't know. Hey, y'all like, comment, subscribe, because I paid like $400 for these, bro. I'm going to fuck them up. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. We're going to see what the fuck going on with them. We're going to see what's going on with this debacle. Because they is selling some fugazi, lazy shit. Man, I'm finna shoot their ass. Because first off, that's counterfeit. These motherfuckers cost too much to be buying some foo-foos. These motherfuckers look damn near the same, though. I can't tell no difference. As I look at them, do I notice anything initially that look different? Or off? Suspicious? Suspect? Sus as hell? Hell no. Shit, these look like the same shoe to me. Bro. Y'all know how usually they be saying, like, if you look at the swoosh, the swoosh stitching be off of some shit. Let me see if I get on the close-up look right here for y'all. Y'all let me know if y'all see something that look odd, but the stitching, all this shit look glass, but the one on the left is from GOAT, the one on the right is from StockX. Y'all let me know if y'all see anything that make y'all look like, what the fuck? What's going on with these? But hell yeah. Y'all let me know what's going on. I couldn't get them at the store. It was all going on during that time for me. We hope StockX ain't selling no foo-foos, but I mean, duh. How do they got all these people selling all these shoes, checking these shoes, and making sure they still good? I don't see it. I don't see how that's going to happen. But anywho, y'all already know what's going on, man. It's DTM, John. Y'all like, y'all comment, y'all subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. I got more videos on the way. Hit that notification bell. I'm on the way, man. I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I'm on the way. We ain't stopping. Let's get it. We out.